Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back. It's Travis here with JT Wealth. It's Thursday, so as you know, this is crypto day, and today we're going to talk about the impacts of China's ban on cryptocurrency, Elon Musk and his thoughts on what the US should do regarding cryptocurrency regulation. We're also going to talk about whether or not you should be able to use Dogecoin at Taco Bell, but one way or another, that should be coming soon. Also, Canada beats the US again in a big market, only this time we're not talking about MJ. And lastly, we're going to look at exactly when one analyst thinks the crypto boom will continue to go forward. So let's get into it. All right, welcome back everybody. Thanks so much for joining me. If you're new to the channel, we appreciate you checking us out. Hopefully you like finance, dividend, growth, cryptocurrency, on occasion entrepreneurial, or maybe even just financial independence, retire early material, because that's the stuff we cover here on the channel. If you're interested in that, like today's video, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so you can keep up to date with all of my new content. And like you might have caught in the intro, we're talking about like 5 big things today. I've got at least 5, maybe 6 articles I want to show you guys. It's a lot of material that I managed to compile into today's video. I'm going to go over it quickly so as to not waste your time, give you the best bang for your buck. And just a quick reminder, today's video is sponsored and brought to you by Crypto.com. Crypto.com is the world's fastest growing crypto app, and if you use the link in the description section down below, crypto.com/app/JTWealth, you'll get $25 free for signing up and funding your account. And we'll talk more about that later in today's video. And let's just quickly touch on the 3 cryptos we're going to talk about today. The first one being Bitcoin, up almost 5% today, trading over the $43,000 mark. That is a positive for Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies as a whole. The number 2 cryptocurrency, Ethereum, trading just below $3,000 when I screenshot this. It could have shifted slightly by the time you watch this video, so don't hold me to this price, but that's almost a 6% growth on the day. That is fantastic. And since we're going to talk slightly about Dogecoin, here it is, guys. Doge up 2.2% on the day, trading at around 20 cents per coin. All right, everybody knows that after China banned cryptocurrency as a whole for what, maybe the 5th or 6th time they banned some sort of crypto in the last couple of years. Either way, everybody knows that it caused a little bit of a decline in the cost of all of our cryptos, and what we're looking at now is a little bit of a recovery period, but we're also seeing some people coming out saying, hey, this could be a really positive thing for cryptocurrencies going forward, especially in the US. And the first article we're going to talk about came from Yahoo Finance and says crypto investors should be thanking China for this, and that was said by Anthony Pompliano. And basically what they're saying is that crypto is a huge, massive technology. The blockchain itself, maybe not just Bitcoin, but all of cryptocurrencies and how they operate. It's basically like saying it's the next internet. And that technology can serve as a fantastic breakthrough mechanism, possibly a weapon, or something to benefit a country. And if any country is going to benefit from it, they want it to be the US. So they're looking at China banning it and kind of stepping away from cryptocurrency as an open door for the US to take hold of cryptocurrency as a whole and become a leader in cryptocurrency and blockchain across the board. April of this year, billionaire PayPal co-founder Peter Thiel expressed his concern about how governments are going to be able to use Bitcoin or manipulate global monetary policy. And he said, I quote, "I do wonder whether if at this point Bitcoin should also be the thought of in part as a Chinese financial weapon against the US." Now, if you thought anything like that, this current thing where China's banning cryptocurrency should definitely have you being a little bit happier, as you can start to see that they no longer have the ability to use cryptocurrencies as a weapon, and that the US can become the premier cryptocurrency and blockchain representative for the world going forward. All right, but what does Elon Musk think about the US government possibly regulating or banning cryptocurrency like China did? Well, this article came out from FX Empire and it says, government shutting down cryptocurrency? Elon Musk doesn't think so. And it's basically Elon saying the US government should avoid regulating or doing anything with cryptocurrency at all. The Tesla CEO said he told the US government to avoid making similar mistakes as China, and he stated that he doesn't think it is possible to destroy crypto. However, he believes the government could significantly slow down the advancements. Now, although Mr. Musk may think the government should have nothing to do with regulating crypto, it really already is kind of regulating crypto, right? It's deciding whether or not ETFs can start up based on crypto. It's also taxing you on your crypto. So I don't think the idea of them not regulating it is realistic, but hopefully the regulation can bring some level of trust and possibly even be the catapult to push cryptocurrencies further. All right, now how many chalupas do you think you can get for some Dogecoin? Let's talk about this article coming up. And this one's out of Bloomberg, and it says paying for Taco Bell with Dogecoin may soon be a reality. So imagine paying for your Taco Bell order with Dogecoin, or maybe you're at Whole Foods and you want some avocado ice cream and you're going to pay with Bitcoin. Well, that's the goal of a new partnership between crypto payment processor BitPay and Verifone, one of the largest providers of those little machines that you use to pay via credit card or Venmo at the checkout lines. So later this year, the newest Verifone terminal will start accepting payments for the US merchants from a range of cryptocurrency wallets and tokens. And the company said in a statement on Tuesday that the terms of agreement haven't yet been disclosed, but this is going to happen. All right, now on to an area where Canada has yet again beat the US to the punch. And another Yahoo Finance article says, first ETF combining Bitcoin and Ethereum launches in Canada. So investors who want to buy a cryptocurrency ETF don't just have to choose between Bitcoin or Ethereum and its tokens called Ether, because there's a new fund that holds both, and that started trading today. So the new ETF from Evolve ETFs trades under the ticker ETC on the TSX, which is the Canadian exchange. And it's the first multi-currency ETF. And it's going to hold those two of the world's largest cryptocurrencies weighted by their market cap, which is about 67% for Bitcoin and 33% for Ethereum. And Evolve will do this by holding its Bitcoin ETF, EBIT, and Ethereum ETF, ETHR, and have that rebalanced monthly. Alright, like I said earlier in the video, guys, today's video is sponsored by Crypto.com. They're the world's fastest growing crypto app and have over 10 million users buying and selling over 90 different cryptocurrencies. And you can get $25 free by signing up and funding your account with my affiliate link in the description section down below. That's crypto.com/app/JT Wealth. And on top of allowing you to invest in so many different cryptos, they also have the NFT option, so you can start investing in NFTs if that's your thing. Or you could just look at one of the amazing Crypto.com Visa cards that they have, so you can start earning cash back on all of your purchases. Their Visa cards allow you to transact without annual fees at over 50 million Visa merchant locations worldwide. You get instant top-up and payment completion without waiting, and you can spend overseas at interbank exchange rates without markups. So the benefits are amazing from the perks associated with these cards, and you can get up to 8% cash back depending on which card you choose. All right, and now possibly the thing you've all been waiting for: when can we expect cryptocurrencies as a whole to shoot back up? And this last article came from Benzinga, and it's titled Important Levels for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and When Mike Novogratz Expects Crypto to Surge Higher. So Mike is the CEO of Galaxy Digital Holdings, and he says that after the massive crypto surge, we've been looking at quite a bit of a consolidation period. He also says that staying above 40,000 for Bitcoin and above 2,800 for Ethereum are key levels to hold until we get that next shot upwards, which he says will come around halfway through the fourth quarter. He says he is still very optimistic for a successful fourth quarter for all of crypto, but he does say there could possibly be some chop on the way to that shot upwards. Alright guys, so that's it for the Thursday crypto update here. Hopefully you found something of value in today's video. If you did, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button for me and consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't already. Leave me a comment in the comment section down below. Let me know what you think about Bitcoin, Ethereum, or possibly even using Dogecoin at Taco Bell. Do you think that the fourth quarter is going to hold some positive gains for all of cryptocurrencies as a whole? And what do you think the US could regulate for cryptocurrencies going forward? Thanks for checking out today's video, guys, and until next time, bottoms up.